In the greater Indianapolis area, land use changes have brought giant consequences for the local climates. In the urban core of Indianapolis, the urban heat island effect increases daytime temperatures by zero point 0.9 to 7.2 degrees Fahrenheit and nighttime temperatures by 1.8 to 4.5 degrees Fahrenheit. This city is growing and will continue to experience an increase in temperatures, and the outer parts of the area are farms that primarily grow corn. These fields used to be forests which were able to hold much more moisture than fields are able to. Because of this, during droughts the temperature of the local climate increases since there is less evapotranspiration occurring. This region is vulnerable to both of these impacts from land use because it contains both a large urban area and a large number of agricultural fields. In the future, it is forecasted that the temperature will become even hotter than now due to an increase in urbanization in the region. This puts the area's residents at a higher risk of heat-related injury and death. To combat this, Indianapolis can increase the number of green spaces in the city, devote more of the land in new developments to trees and fields, and plant green roofs on top of buildings in the city. The outer farmlands will need to try to incorporate more trees and shrubs into the landscape to help hold more water during droughts.